The University College of the University of Maine system, together with the Maine Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Standards, has formed a partnership to make public information more accessible to Maine's employers.
Going back to our summary form, the OSHA Form 300A, on the lower right-hand side of this form, you will see circled an area that says sign here. The person who signs this, and you'll see it in very small letters, is a company executive. Only a company executive is allowed to sign this form. And on the next slide, I will go into details as to who is permitted to sign this 300A. The company executive must be the person who actually signs this form, and only certain individuals are allowed to sign this form. The person who signs the OSHA Form 300A can either be an owner of the company, an officer of the corporation, or the highest ranking company official working at that establishment. For example, that site's manager, that plant manager. Not the HR manager, not the safety manager. Assuming that you have properly filled out the OSHA Form 300A with the totals, assuming that you've properly indicated your average employment and your total hours worked, and assuming that the proper company executive has signed the bottom of the right-hand side of the OSHA Form 300A, you are required to post the OSHA Form 300A from February 1st through April 30th of the following year at a location where all of your employees can see it. If you have a multi-establishment business, it's only that specific establishment's OSHA 300A that you post. And as I mentioned, it must be posted at a location where all of your employees can see it, such as a break room or an official bulletin board somewhere. Do not post the OSHA Form 300. Unfortunately, I heard stories of businesses posting the OSHA Form 300 itself, and in one circumstance, the 300 was posted in a hallway where the general public could walk through. Please do not post the OSHA Form 300. Please just post the OSHA Form 300A for that 3-month time period. That concludes our section on how to properly fill out the OSHA 300 and 300A form.